No, he said cycle can go through here, but you have to. Yeah, bye bye.
So, you must be thinking, how did we reach in this mess? Me and my childhood buddies had planned a sudden trip to Gorai beach. It took us 1.5 hours from Dadar to reach Gorai. If you are looking to travel over there by two-wheelers, then the ferry from the Marvi beach is the fastest route. But four-wheelers have to go all the way to Mirabai on their side and come back towards the Gorai beach. The feeling in Gorai is just like Goa, to be honest. It is also known as mini Goa, and I'm telling you, riding over there, it feels like you're in Goa. The experience and the people out there as well. The best time to go is during the monsoon season, I reckon. On the beach side, there are decent number of crowds enjoying themselves on the beach. This place is also good for families and friends for a quick getaway for the people of Mumbai.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adonis Fernandez, and I know, it's been a very long time that I haven't uploaded a video. But right now, I am all pumped up, and this is the reason why I haven't uploaded videos. Because of lockdown restrictions, we are not allowed to travel to any places, and it's very risky to go because of police restrictions and the government rule. Only travel when it's needed. But I really wanted this trip to happen because I was trying to go to places very recently during this monsoon season, but it didn't happen unfortunately. But I'm very happy. I'm right now going with my friends. So basically, we're going to Gorai Beach. That's around 1.5 hours journey from where I stay. So in the middle, you will get to see that we are going through the ferry. So now we have reached the island and we are going towards our resort. Let's see, the atmosphere is amazing and it's nice and cloudy, overcast. So the ride will be very good. With me is Viresh. And this is our room for 4 people. And the outside view.
Well, not taking much of your time. Well, today's video is sponsored by Wow Skincare Science. I'm personally a big fan of this Wow product because I've been using this product for the last 2 years and it's given me a good results from the hair to the skin and the perfume and many more products which they have. Well, today's product I'm showing you the sunscreen which they are giving me. It protects you from the harmful UV ultraviolet rays from the sun. It's having the goodness of raspberry extract, carrot extracts and also the avocado's oil, and also it's having mainly the vitamin E which is required for your skin. I'll show you guys applying this product. It spreads evenly on your skin as you can see, and the best thing is that it just disappears very quickly. So it's the best product that you can have. Getting back to the video.
So now we are going to the pool and very excited for the pool session. So I have put on the sunscreen of Wow. Now let's dive through. And Durvesh is going to dive.
We're very cold inside. And here comes the entry of the
ठंडा होनी चाहिए.
ठंडा बोले तो कोकोला.
मार अभी. Very nice, very nice. All together. place. God knows where, but we have found a good place, I guess. What's it, Durvesh?
Yeah, I guess let's check out.
And the best part of this Ponsikas is that you get a beach view over here. So we are done with the pool session. Now it's time for the beach later on, but we need to first have some food. And this is the beach. People are playing here football. I don't know what's going on, but there's some game going on over here. Like many families coming over here, even couples are here, and there are some nice stalls in the afternoon time. On my right, as you can see over here, people come with their scooties, with their cars, and with their families. It's a good place. It's like mini Goa over here. If you see the coconut trees all beautifully planted over here. Durvesh trying coming up. Successful, mission accomplished. Yalla, come on. That's my bike. Successful. It's a very happening place here. I can hear music. So we are coming to this place P7, and it's okay. The vibes is kind of Goa vibes. It's open the air, and yeah, there's a good roof above us, and it's pretty decent. Let's see the food. I think the food will be okay. I just saw somebody's dish having lollipop, so it's looking pretty decent. And the best part about this is that there's a beach over here. Right now we have come for lunch, and the worst thing is that it's high tide right now, and the only way out going is through this beach. I'm telling you, the water was way back. Right now it's like coming towards me now. So how do you feel, my friend, stuck over here for the next 3 hours?
Hoping for like the high tides to go so that we can reach our hotel and start enjoying again.
Yeah, now what to do now? We didn't knew that it's going to be high tide. So unfortunately there's no any other way going that side. There's only one way which goes through the beach. So right now, as I showed you, it's high tide, and it's, I don't know, we had come so far not to waste our time over here. So let's see. So Durvesh, what do you think? What should we do?
We should dance over here.
But there's no music.
There is music.
That's right. Okay. That's a good option, dancing. And this guy is playing PUBG, I guess. Time pass ke liye.
No, it's not.
What are you doing? And now we are walking back to our hotel. And yeah, the way is something like this. No vehicles, no scooty, no cycle also is allowed going from this place. So it's very difficult. Now I don't know where are we going, but we'll find out. That's the fun part of the travel, like some adventure. We take this as an adventure. Is there a way to go? Or there's a path going here. चल देखते क्या होता है आगे. Valley. There's a valley it seems.
देखो खाना आ गया.
मैं तो हाफ स्लीप है ना. मच्छर इधर बहुत है.
अरे हाउ विल यू गो फ्रॉम हियर ना?
एक काम करते हैं, हम लोग वापस बीच से जाते हैं. द वे, हाउ कैन वी गो थ्रू दिस वे? लेट्स सी. देयर इज अ वे. हाँ तो व्हाई कंप्लेनिंग ब्रो? There's lot of mosquito. They are all going to have a good treat. We reached. No, he said cycle can go through here, but you have to. Yeah, bye. So we had gone to explore a place, and so many mosquitoes. My God, you know, you just had to stand for 2 minutes There were around 15 to 20 mosquitoes biting, and I'm like not very anything. And this poor fellow, he lost his slipper. He went down inside the sinking sand. We had to pull him out. We are going back to the beach. More safer way to go. So stay tuned. Going back to a hotel. भाई लोग अपना जो ट्रैकिंग है इधर ही हो रहा है. वाह, ये संभाल भाई, don't fall and all.
A good lesson learned for us all. Beware of the high tides on the Gorai beach. It comes all the way up. The best possible way is to see places where traveling on road is easily accessible, or the second option is walking. On our way back, we had a power pack session playing beach cricket to boost our mood up again.
And now we are back in a hotel. Remember, coming to Gorai, there are high tides coming, and if you take a vehicle to any places, like they are like the connectivity to any hotels, it's not through road, it's through the beach. So whenever it's high tide, you can't again travel back. And I seen many vehicles stuck over there. Like they should have kept a warning at least, no, कि there's high tide going to be, and you know they'll be standard over there.
No,
So
I don't know.
so even we had the same issues, and we all are so tired actually climbing the rocks. And there's one more person over there. So right now we are going back to a place, to a scooty. The tide is slightly less, so it's still high tide, but it's kind of low. But we have to wait for I think more half an hour to let the water go back, because if we get stuck in the water, it's a big issue. We have to go back to Mumbai. So yeah, we have to wait for the correct time and go back. So it's a bit irritating, but still we have to do it to get our scooty back.
The next day.
And now we are checking out of this property, Fonseca's. It's been a pretty decent stay. The rooms were actually small. I don't think it's that. It was costly at the end of the day, because we were just 4 of us and we had paid a lot of money. The service is okay, but yeah, the food was good. So guys, how was the stay over here? Was it worth it coming over here?
That is worth it. Means the ambience and seashore beach is very close to it, so you will definitely enjoy it. But a little bit of expensive, we can say. So it's fine. If you have a big gang, it's worth it.
It's okay, but you can, if you want, you can come. But the Gorai beach is beautiful.
Hey guys, so I hope you like my video. This is the end of the vlog, and make sure that you share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that bell icon, because whenever I will upload a video, you will be notified on your mobile or anywhere. So till then, take care, live your dreams, bye, boom.
कोई धक्का मार.
फर्स्ट राइट स्टेप. पानी गरम है.
पानी is गरम.
जकूजी.
अरे go man, ladies.
काय आलं मला ताप आला.